Wholesalers, let me show you how to go from struggling to prospering. You only have to get better at one thing. The best part is anybody can do this. If you're sending 5,000 pieces of quality mail, like what we do at Ballpoint Marketing, you should get a 1% response rate or roughly 50 phone calls. Now, those 50 phone calls are going to break down to a third, meaning 16 are going to tell you to take them off your mailing list. 16 are going to say, hey, I'm not ready to sell, but follow up. And 16 are going to say, come make me an offer. If you close at like the average level of 10% of your appointments, you're going to land 1.6 deals or make roughly $8,000 in gross revenue. On the flip side, if you get good at sales, you can close 30% of your appointments or 4.8 deals on the same marketing. Keeping your same wholesale fee at $8,000, we could forecast out roughly 32 to 40 grand in revenue versus the 8 to 16 you were looking at before. Go pick yourself up this book and apply this content, and it will make you an extra multi-six figures per year. This is likely going to be the only video you see today that should make you an extra multi-six figures, so be sure to hit the like button on it.